To download course resources in Udemy, start by typing Udemy into your web browser's search bar and select udemy.com. Click the Login button and fill out the required information, including your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the course content section, where you will find the resources. The resources may include various files, such as HTML code, intermediate HTML, and slides. To access these resources, click on the folder icon, and the downloadable resources will appear. From there, you can download the resources to your device, allowing you to access them at any time without needing to watch the video. This process enables you to utilize the resources independently, making it more convenient for you. By following these steps, you can easily download Udemy course resources.